Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and secure. Stay home, stay safe. Welcome to today's English online class. In the previous class, we have completed the lesson A Letter to a Friend, Part 1. Once again, let us revise the lesson. Ramesh and Suresh are friends. Ramesh lives in Hyderabad. Suresh came to Hyderabad on some personal work. He asked Ramesh to meet him at certain place, but Ramesh could not meet him. For this, Ramesh felt sorry and wrote this letter to Suresh. In his letter, firstly, Ramesh apologized Suresh for not meeting him in his visit to Hyderabad. Meaning of apologized, say sorry for doing something wrong. He remembered how they spent their childhood together happily. They played gilli-danda, hide and seek and kabaddi. They went for swimming in their local tank every Sunday. Suresh told about his busy and meaningless life. This is the part 1 of Letter to a Friend. Now let us continue with the part 2 of Letter to a Friend. How happy we were in our school. We used to sit in the same row, did all the work together and took part in the events. So they were remembering their school life. They used to sit in the same row, did all the work together and they used to take part in the events. I remember how Padmanabhaya sir, our class teacher, appreciated us when we got the first prize in district science fair. So who is their class teacher? Padmanabhaya sir. Their sir appreciated, meaning of appreciated, recognized the good qualities. His class teacher recognized their good qualities because as they got the first prize in district science fair. I remember how we went on a picnic to Koel Sagar. Again, he remembered their picnic. Where did they go to the picnic? Koel Sagar. There we went boating. So they also went for boating. Our tour to Srisailam was memorable. Meaning of memorable, easy to remember. He often remembers his trip to Srisailam. Still, I remember the green hills full of trees that almost touch the sky. See, always he remembers the green hills which is full of trees. He feels that almost the trees are touched to the sky. I remember the roaring of the Krishna river at the dam. Meaning of roaring, making a very loud noise. So the Krishna river at the dam, they heard a roaring sound of Krishna river at the dam. There is nothing here. So he compares his present and the past life. He says that nothing is here. I wonder at my child's silence. He says that his child is always silent. He always sits in front of the computer and plays games, never caring for anyone. He says that his child always sits in front of the computer. He often plays games, never caring for anyone. Meaning of caring, feeling that something is important. He feels that nothing is important to him. He doesn't bother about anyone. I remember the happy moments when our uncle visited us. He remembers his happy moments. Meaning of moments, occasions. He remembers his happy occasions when his uncle visited him. He brought toys and fruit for us. So his uncle brought toys and fruits. Our aunt brought me a new dress for Dasra. So his aunt also brought him a new dress for Dasra. How we enjoyed Deepavali. So he recognizes that about his enjoyment in the festival of Deepavali. Still, I hear the sound of crackers. I can see the rockets flying into the sky, making the night full of light. He says that the sounds of crackers, rockets flying into the sky always remembers me those happy days. Where are those days? So he questions himself to his friend that where are those days? My child doesn't know his uncle or aunt. He says that his child doesn't know his uncle or aunt. For him, uncle and neighbor are the same. He says that for his child, uncle and neighbors. Meaning of neighbor, a person who lives near you. His uncle or neighbors are the same. Sometimes I think of our childhood days. So he sometimes thinks of his childhood days. I think of grandparents, uncles, brothers, sisters. So he himself recalls his grandparents, uncles, brothers, sisters. We missed them. So finally he says that we missed them. We missed the joy of the family. He says that we missed all of our grandparents, uncles, brothers, sisters, and we missed the joy of the family. We missed their company. We also missed their company. We are missing many things in this busy life. So finally he says that we are missing so many things in this busy life. Suresh, I don't know where those gardens have gone. Those fairy tales, those fruits, those words of love and affection. We have lost our real life in this unreal world. So he expresses his feelings that he doesn't know where are those gardens have gone, those fairy tales, those fruits and love and affections from their neighbors. Where are they? We have lost everything in the real life. In the present life, we are living in the unreal world. Nothing is there in this present life. Nothing is there in this present life. We left all this and we are living now. Anyhow, I am happy that I have found time to write to you. And finally he says that I am really happy that I have little time I have found to write this letter. By writing this letter, I have recognized all these childhood memories. Please come to me. Let us remember our childhood days of joy. So once again he requests his friends to come and meet him. And once again let us remember our childhood days of joy. Finally, he ends the letter with your loving friend Ramesh. Coming to the part 2, glossary. Appreciated. Meaning of appreciated, recognized the good qualities. Meaning of memorable, easy to remember. Meaning of roaring, making a very loud noise. Meaning of caring, feeling that something is important. Meaning of moment, it is an occasion, a time or occasion. Meaning of neighbor, a person who lives near you. In the previous class, we have discussed and wrote the first and the second question answer. Coming to the third question. What change did you observe in Ramesh? I think so everybody know what change did you observe in Ramesh's life. Is he happy? Let us come to the answer. Ramesh used to live with his family in childhood. He enjoyed peaceful life with his friends and family. He was brought up with love and affection. But now he is leading a busy life. Now there is none except his wife and child in his life. He missed everybody. Is it true, children? Yes, he missed everybody. He realized that he missed the joy of his family and their company. Coming to the fourth question. Do you think Ramesh is happy in the city? Why? According to your opinion, children, is Ramesh happy in the city? In the lesson, we have clearly knew that Ramesh is not at all happy with the city life. So answer is no. I don't think Ramesh is happy in the city because he is leading a very busy life there. He has no time to bring up his child. He missed his real and enjoyable life that he enjoyed in his village with his parents and grandparents. Coming to the fifth question. What made Ramesh write to Suresh? So why did Ramesh write the letter to Suresh? Ramesh lived in Hyderabad. he could not meet his friend Suresh when he visited Hyderabad, isn't it? Who stays in Hyderabad? Ramesh. So when Suresh visited Hyderabad, who could not meet him? Ramesh could not meet Suresh. He felt very sorry for his busy life that he did not allow him to meet his childhood friend. He wanted to apologize his friend for this and to remind him of his childhood days spent with him. He wanted to share his feelings with his friend as he could not meet him personally through a letter. This made him write to Suresh. Write the given glossary and remaining question answers in your classwork. Coming to the home assignment. Now choose the correct answers for the following questions. First question. The writer of the above letter is. So who is writing the letter, children? Who is writing the letter to whom? Ramesh. Ramesh is writing the letter to Suresh. So who is the writer of the above letter? Ramesh. Second question. Ramesh couldn't meet his friend because. Why Ramesh couldn't meet his friend? As he had a meeting in office. Third question. If a family has more than 4 members, that means parents plus 2 kids, it is what type of family? It is a small family. Ramesh is working as a, what is his designation, children? What is he working? He is working as a computer programmer. Fifth question. The childhood games which Ramesh recalled are. Let us see the options here first of all. Hide and seek, kabaddi, gilli danda, all of these. So my dear children, the childhood games, what are the childhood games mentioned in the given lesson? All the 3 games are mentioned. Hide and seek, kabaddi, gilli danda. So what is the given answer? All of these is the answer. Padmanabhaiah sir appreciated them because. Why did Padmanabhaiah sir, who is Padmanabhaiah sir? Their class teacher. Why did he appreciate them? Because as they got first prize in state science fair. As they got prize in science fair. 7th question. Who would have told old stories to them in childhood? Who told the stories to them? Yes, grandpa told the stories to them. Which river was mentioned in the passage, children? What is the name of the river mentioned? Yes, the Krishna. Complete the given classwork and home assignment and send it to my given WhatsApp number. Thank you.